So today we are learned how to block ads in YouTube. Just go to Chrome browser, click these three dots and go to settings and scroll up, then go to extensions, go to Chrome web store, click and type YouTube ad block, hit enter, then choose this extension, click and add to Chrome, add extension. Just wait 4 seconds and congratulations, now adblock installed on your Chrome browser. So we will check it on Chrome browser. Go to YouTube, and play any video so that can check. Now it's showing now. Go to again next video.
AI tools of the year, like AI that generates as you draw, AI that makes any image come to life, and even AI that turns your voice into a musical instrument.
So no ads are currently showing. So this is very simple method. So you can block YouTube ads. Thanks for watching.